Exercise. A healthy lifestyle must include regular exercise because it has many advantages for both physical and mental health. Exercise is crucial to maintaining overall fitness since it has a variety of benefits, including enhancing cardiovascular health, elevating mood, and lowering the risk of chronic diseases. It might be difficult to choose the exercises that offer the greatest advantages because there are so many different possibilities. In this video, we'll list the top 10 workouts for fitness and health, taking into account things like efficiency, adaptability, and overall effect. Running. To improve cardiovascular fitness and burn calories, running tops the list of the easiest and most efficient activities. Running is a high-impact aerobic sport that works a variety of muscle groups, strengthens bones, and increases endurance whether you choose to run outside or on a treadmill. Running also results in the release of endorphins, which lowers stress and fosters a sense of well-being. Strength training. Weightlifting and bodyweight workouts are both important for preserving and gaining muscle mass during strength training. Strength training exercises boost functional strength, raise metabolism, improve bone density, and improve joint stability. Squats, deadlifts, and push-ups are a few exercises you may add to your regimen to get a complete body workout. Swimming. Swimming is a low-impact activity that works every muscle in the body with little strain on the joints. It increases flexibility, strength, and endurance while also enhancing cardiovascular fitness. Swimming is especially helpful for those with joint discomfort because it is ideal for people of all ages and fitness levels and offers resistance without causing impact. Cycling. Cycling is a great cardiovascular workout that works the lower body muscles, whether it be done outside or on a stationary bike. It promotes general endurance, strengthens the leg muscles, and benefits the heart. Cycling is a fun and effective form of exercise since it is simple to include into regular activities like commuting or relaxing rides. Interval training at a high intensity, HIIT comprises quick bursts of intensive activity followed by quick rest intervals. This quick exercise routine raises metabolism, burns calories, and strengthens the heart. HIIT activities are a great option for people who want to get the most results in a short period of time because they can be tailored to fit individual fitness levels and preferences. Yoga. Yoga is a holistic form of exercise that incorporates physical postures, breathing exercises, and meditation. It promotes relaxation, increases flexibility, strengthens the core, and improves balance. Yoga caters to all people, regardless of age or fitness ability, with a variety of styles and levels of intensity. Pilates focuses on the body's total conditioning, suppleness, and core strength. Pilates workouts strengthen lean muscle, boost body awareness, and improve posture through regulated movements and precise alignment. People who are healing from injuries or want to enhance the functional movement of their bodies will benefit most from this low-impact exercise technique. CrossFit is a high-intensity exercise program that incorporates components of functional movements, cardio, and strength training. It places a focus on a variety of difficult workouts to increase performance and general fitness. CrossFit provides anyone looking for a hard workout a motivating and supportive environment because of its community-driven approach. Tai Chi. Tai Chi is a traditional Chinese martial art that emphasizes deep breathing and slow, controlled motions. It encourages relaxation and stress reduction while enhancing balance, coordination, and flexibility. Everyone of any age can practice Tai Chi, and it can be modified to meet their level of fitness. Dancing is a fun and interesting approach to increase cardiovascular health, coordination, and physical fitness. Dancing offers a variety of genres to suit individual inclinations, from high-intensity options like Zumba to more conventional ones like ballet or salsa. Dancing also improves mood and cognitive function by allowing people to enjoy movement and music. Exercise is essential for keeping health and fitness at their highest levels. There is something for everyone among the top 10 exercises listed in this video because they provide a wide variety of alternatives. You may improve your cardiovascular health, strength and endurance, flexibility, and overall well-being by including these activities in your program. Never begin a new workout regimen without first talking to a doctor, especially if you have any underlying medical ailments or worries. The path to a fitter and healthier lifestyle should be taken while staying active and consistent. It can be difficult to choose a diet that is actually efficient and sustainable because there are so many different options accessible. In this video, we give a thorough ranking of well-known diets, taking into account elements like nutritional balance, empirical support, long-term viability, and overall health advantages. Join us as we explore the realities behind the diets that have attracted the public's interest. The Mediterranean diet. The Mediterranean diet takes the top spot on our list. This eating plan, which is supported by a large body of scientific data, has an emphasis on whole foods like fruits, vegetables, legumes, whole grains, fish, and healthy fats like olive oil. The Mediterranean diet, which is well known for improving heart health, offers a balanced intake of vital nutrients while lowering the risk of chronic illnesses. Long-term sustainability is further aided by its emphasis on moderation and food satisfaction. Dietary approaches to stop hypertension. Diet. The diet is a close second. This strategy, which was initially created to control blood pressure, emphasizes eating fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and low-fat dairy products. It is appropriate for people aiming to enhance heart health and maintain a healthy weight because of the emphasis on reducing sodium intake, which is in line with current health recommendations. Flexitarian diet. The flexitarian diet comes in third for individuals looking for a flexible and plant-forward eating style. This diet, which combines the words flexible and vegetarian, encourages a primarily vegetarian way of eating while permitting the occasional intake of meat and animal products. The flexitarian diet emphasizes whole grains, fruits, and vegetables, as well as plant-based proteins, and provides the health advantages of a plant-based diet while allowing individual preferences and making long-term adherence more practical. Diet. The ketogenic diet, also known as the keto diet, has grown in favor due to its rapid weight loss capabilities. The excessive carbohydrate restriction and high fat intake, however, raise the possibility of nutrient shortages and long-term health hazards. Even if some people might lose weight temporarily, the keto diet's rating on our list is limited by its lack of sustainability and balance. Paleo diet. The paleo diet emphasizes the consumption of whole foods while avoiding processed foods, grains, legumes, and dairy products. It was inspired by the alleged dietary habits of our ancestors. The absence of entire food groups may result in nutritional imbalances even while it encourages the consumption of fresh, nutrient-dense foods. Furthermore, the long-term health advantages of this diet are supported by scant scientific evidence. Juice cleanses or detox diets come in last on our list. Although these diets guarantee quick weight loss and cleansing, they frequently fall short in terms of critical minerals, protein, and fiber. Juice cleanses might not deliver the long-term health benefits they promise and may result in unsustainable results and muscle loss. It is essential to approach such diets cautiously and place an emphasis on balanced nutrition. Prioritizing sustainability and long-term health when choosing a diet is crucial. Due to its evidence-based methodology, dietary balance, and established health advantages, the diet and Mediterranean diet stand out as the leading competitors. In the meanwhile, adaptable choices like the flexitarian diet present a useful method of plant-based eating. Despite their popularity, diets like the ketogenic and paleo diets should be used with caution due to any potential drawbacks and a lack of long-term scientific backing. Remember, seeking personalized advice from a trained dietitian or healthcare expert can help you choose a diet that meets your unique